No more wasted time, calendar blocking secrets. Every successful project manager swears by. Introduction. Project management is an intricate process that demands a combination of strategic planning and exceptional organizational skills. However, the project manager is often caught up in a difficult cycle, constantly distracted from deep work by duties which others deem important or urgent. Hours per week are wasted in this way, time which could be better spent on more important tasks or on other pursuits. If you want to get those hours back, calendar blocking might be for you. According to a study by the University of California, it takes an average of 23 minutes and 15 seconds to get back to your original task after being interrupted. Let's find out how to stay on track. The art of calendar blocking. Calendar blocking, an efficient time management technique, revolves around the concept of allocating dedicated time slots for various project-related tasks. This method involves breaking the day into distinct blocks, with each block assigned to a specific task or activity. Essentially, it creates appointments with oneself to focus on particular duties. By emphasizing one task at a time, calendar blocking minimizes attention dispersion across multiple activities, ensuring that each essential task receives the undivided attention necessary for successful completion. Tasks may include finish monthly report, call client to update them on progress, go for a walk, yes, downtime is important, or clear email inbox. The key to effective calendar blocking lies in its flexibility. Project managers can adapt it to suit their work style, whether allocating specific days for particular types of tasks, scheduling all meetings on a Tuesday as an example, or adopting a more granular approach by breaking down days into smaller time intervals. This adaptability makes calendar blocking a versatile tool that can be tailored to the unique demands of any project. Implementing calendar blocking and calendar management, a step-by-step guide. 1. Comprehensive task listing. Initiate the implementation process by meticulously listing all tasks required for the project. This step serves as the foundation for effective calendar blocking and management, ensuring that no essential activity is overlooked. Either take time at the beginning or end of each workday to reflect and list your essential tasks. 2. Time estimation. Following the task listing, estimate the time required for each activity. This step requires a realistic assessment of the time demands for each task, factoring in complexities and potential challenges. 3. Calendar blocking. Mark the estimated time for each task on the calendar, creating dedicated blocks for focused work. Integrate breaks for relaxation and buffer times to accommodate unexpected interruptions. 4. Color code. Use different colors for different classes of tasks, or perhaps different colors for different projects. You could also use combinations of text formatting to create your own special code. Don't make it too complex, but using colors or formatting activates our minds. 5. Digital tools. Integration. To enhance team coordination, leverage digital tools that facilitate the sharing and synchronization of calendars. This ensures that the entire team is on the same page regarding project timelines, deadlines, and individual responsibilities. 6. Regular review and updates. Make it a habit to regularly review and update the calendar as the project progresses. This proactive approach allows for real-time adjustments, aligning the schedule with evolving project dynamics and mitigating potential roadblocks. 7. Balancing act. It's crucial to recognize that the goal isn't to fill every minute of the day, but to craft a balanced and manageable schedule, leave room for downtime and recharging. This approach promotes productivity and reduces stress. Limiting access. Professionals are often over-accessible. Your inner and outer team are able to access you by email, telephone, video call, personal messaging, and on professional messaging platforms. While being accessible is clearly important, being overly accessible is detrimental. Part of the magic of calendar blocking is making yourself inaccessible during strategic work periods. Set autoresponders or change your status to Do Not Disturb. Make it clear to your innermost team that they can still contact you in an absolute emergency, but should avoid distracting you for issues of lesser importance. Be sure to give them the same considerations. They also need periods of deep work to make progress. We all do. Conclusion. In conclusion, calendar blocking and calendar management are important techniques for every project manager. These techniques elevate concentration, amplify productivity, and provide meticulous control over the project timeline. Successful project management extends beyond the mere completion of tasks. It is about executing them efficiently and punctually. By mastering calendar blocking and calendar management, project managers can optimize their time management, ensuring that every minute is purposefully dedicated to the completion of the project.